All right, folks, here's two stocks that look really good going into 2026. The first one's going to be Rich Tech Robotics. The ticker is RR. So this is a robotics company that actually has earnings. Okay, they made about 1.7 million there, 1.1 million there. They got earnings coming up here on December 3rd. That's going to be next week. But this thing had a huge move. You can see we got some green dots down here. Those are our buy signals here. We're looking at the weekly. That came in August. Okay, we also got some back there again, same price. When you guys get those dots, you just want to pay attention to the price, okay? You got that green dot right there. We could say, okay, $2, right there around $2 is where it's setting up for a move. It had a big move from 2 all the way up to 7, and now it's pulled back. So you got the red dot. The red dots are going to be the sell signals right there. October, that came right there around $6, and now it's sitting all the way down here at $3.50. My average cost on this is around $3.30, so I'm up about 10% on the trade right now. But when this thing starts to curve and go the other way, really what we're going to be looking for is a green dot on this. But you can already see how the chart is kind of starting to curve. So again, it had this big momentum move up, and now it retraced. Okay, everyone was getting excited up here. People down here who were buying down here, okay, we were buying this thing at like $2 back here in August. It went up to 6. We took profits. I took profits around $4, I think. I didn't sell at 6, but again, it sold off, so it's retraced. So after this retracement, I mean, that's a big retracement. That's about a 50% drop in the last 2 months. And you can see we got a green candle, so this thing's starting to curl back to the upside. So I really like this one. I think that next green dot is going to be great. RR is looking really good here. The other one I really like is Circle. Circle is, they are the provider of USDC, US dollar coin. That is the second largest stable coin on the market. They IPO'd, their stock IPO. That means it came out right there in June. So it had this big move up from around $70 all the way to 300. Okay. And then what did it do? It hit 300 and it sold all the way back off to where? Right back to where it opened. So you're buying this right where it IPO'd here. And I just really like I really like the stock. I really like the company. You got a lot of legislation going in here over the next coming months about the Genius Act and what they're doing with stablecoins. Stablecoins are pretty much going to be the standard. The dollar is dead. We're going to stablecoins. And Circle Internet Group, CRCL, again, they are the issuer. They are the owner. I don't want to say owner, but they control USDC, US dollar coin. And again, it's right back down here to where it opened up. So I'd rather buy it down here than up here. The majority of people are buying it up here because they're really excited about it. I like a big pullback. That's a 70% drop right there. And again, we're bouncing right on support. Circle and RR both look good here.